So guys, it's November the 5th and it's bonfire night. I've just dropped the kids off and they said to me, Mum, looking forward to bonfire night tonight. Haven't planned it, didn't think about it. Looked online, all the displays were over the weekend, so I'm going to have to improvise. I'm going to buy immense. So this is what I want. I need some big fat mushrooms. I've got the produce. Now we're going to make a lovely bonfire night. I just made some homemade chips, none of this shop bought stuff. I could have used the normal average cauliflower that we use, but I'm using this cauliflower and I'm going to slice it up. So these are the cauliflowers. I'm going to now base it. Here is my 2 potential burgers. Over here, I have put lots of seasoning and barbecue sauce, garlic, and I'm going to now just gently cook them and turn them every time. Ready for bonfire night. I warm up my vegan bun now. Here is our mushroom. Nice tomato. Beautiful. Lettuce. And then here is beautiful bun. Here is our beautiful bun. 4, 3, 2, 1. So tonight was an absolutely resounding success, considering I had no intention of doing any kind of bonfire night. My kids' friends just came round, stayed for an hour, they ate my mushroom and cauliflower burgers with my homemade chips, watched the bonfire, boom, 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 and out. Mushroom burger went down a bomb. Get it? See what I was doing there? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my vlogs. I'll be putting up new vlogs every Sunday. Happy bonfire night.